Hi, I hope you're doing well. This is our pitch presentation for the Engineering Grand Challenge project. We chose cleaning up the oceans as our grand challenge. We are a part of E102 section 003, and this presentation is by Emma, Jillian, and Virginia. Our proposed grand challenge is the cleanup and revitalization of the world's oceans. This challenge addresses the still rising amount of plastic, industrial waste, and other hazards found in the oceans, the increasing number of dead zones, and the loss of efficiency of the ocean as a carbon sink. The grand challenge looks at how these problems affect both the ecosystem of the ocean and the world in general. An example of the importance of our grand challenge is the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which is a collection of debris and trash in the Pacific Ocean, roughly measured to be about 1.6 million square kilometers. Most of the debris is plastic, and since plastic is not biodegradable, it does not disintegrate, and it just breaks into smaller pieces. The large debris in the garbage patch are fishing nets, which continue to catch marine life and suffocate them. The seafloor beneath it is also a part of the garbage patch, since about 70% of the debris sinks to the ocean floor. The negative impact that this debris has on the wildlife and food chain of the ecosystem emphasizes the need for cleaning up the oceans to be a grand challenge for engineering.
Plastics in the ocean directly damage phytoplankton, which play a vital role in the ocean's performance as a carbon sink. As the phytoplankton die, the ocean's ability to take in carbon is lowered, which leads to a feedback loop of more carbon being released and the temperature rising, making it easier for plastics to break down and affect organisms. Humans are also affected by this contamination. Animals ingest the plastic and are in turn ingested by humans, transferring it to us. Bathing in contaminated ocean water makes roughly 1 billion people sick each year. Dead zones are areas created due to a lack of oxygen and can be caused by industrial waste from factories and plants, and excessive nutrients due to fertilizer runoff. This lack of oxygen drives native species out of their habitat and into others. This can ruin the ecosystem of that new area with the introduction of new species that weren't previously there. Algal bloom is caused by excessive nutrients, causing fast growth and rapid oxygen consumption. Therefore, less oxygen in the area is produced, leading to less oxygen overall. The Ocean Cleanup is an organization that is working on cleaning up the amount of plastics in the ocean. They plan to do this in 2 ways. 1, intercept plastic in rivers, and 2, use natural forces such as currents and wind to capture and concentrate plastic so it can be removed. The Ocean Cleanup intends to have a 90% reduction of floating ocean plastic by 2040. Other task forces established by environmental agencies, like the Hypoxia Task Force, create and implement strategies to reduce runoff and manage nutrient content in water.
Conclusion. The staggering amount of plastics and other pollutants in the ocean continues to grow, which negatively impacts both aquatic and human life. While there is an effort to help with these issues, in order to make a dramatic impact, the cause needs to be addressed and there needs to be a larger initiative to clean up the ocean. By making this a grand challenge, we can ensure that cleaning the ocean will remain a priority in the years to come.